Hey, if you've been waiting for lakeside living in the lakes of Cane Bay Plantation, we've been waiting for this neighborhood to open back up for like a couple years now.
Yeah, almost 2 years, I would say. And it's called Waterside. Lennar is the builder, and we're here in the lakes of Cane Bay.
Jeff, Greg, and Mark Clem with Charleston Area Living, doing everything all around Somerville, all around Cane Bay, Charleston, all the way up to Myrtle Beach. This is exciting. So these are some gorgeous lots. Some of the best lots in Cane Bay that have been available for years now. In a neighborhood with multiple different, what do they call it? The floor plans.
Floor plans, yeah.
We've got 7, 8, 9 different floor plans.
At least 9 different ones, at least 2 of them with the master down. One of them is the Litchfield, which is pretty much all downstairs. Yeah. And then all kinds of other plans that are 2-story as well.
So this neighborhood is kind of here tucked in the back of Cane Bay, but that's good because that gets you access to the lake. So there's you can go out and paddleboard and go fishing,
kayaking, canoeing.
You could technically have a boat with a motor in this, but it's going to be a little electrical, right?
A little electric, yeah. You can't have any gas-powered boats in here. And it's like 300 acres, this lake out here. So it's not just some little retention pond that we're talking about here for sure.
No, you could definitely go out and you go kayak the whole way around the big, I mean, it would take you hours, right?
Oh, yeah.
To get around there.
Probably 2 hours if you're kayaking.
And there's some big fish. Is that good?
Yeah.
I don't want to
over-exaggerate.
I don't want to be somewhat truthful. So one of the cool things about this then also is the golf carts that you could, the golf cart paths all through Cane Bay. So you can get to a huge YMCA. Yep. You can get to doctor's offices and dentists and restaurants and grocery shopping all by golf cart. There's Chick-fil-A, there's Mexican restaurants, Italian restaurants, all kind of stuff to do. And then you live here in Cane Bay.
Yeah.
Some of the events throughout the year, the Halloween and all that kind of stuff is awesome.
Yeah, most of the time they have, if there's a major event, you're going to have a golf cart parade. And, most golf cart parades just kind of go one way, right?
Yeah.
Well, this one kind of meets in the middle, and there's 2 different routes that it goes. And there's probably a good 5 minutes of video for each route.
So you got like A route and B route.
North and south route.
North and south route.
Yeah, so one goes back towards the front of the neighborhood.
Okay.
And the other one goes from the coves to the back of the neighborhood. That way everybody gets to experience it.
Gotcha.
So there's the next one coming up is the Christmas parade.
Okay.
And the guy over at Joe's Carts, Joe.
Yeah.
He kind of runs it all.
I wonder if that's why it's called Joe's Carts.
I think so. I'm not sure.
His name's Joe.
It could be from his dad's name too. That's also Joe.
Yeah, it might be.
I don't know. But so yeah, you have 2 different parades. We have Santa Claus coming out. 4th of July.
The real Santa Claus.
I think. 4th of July, there's a huge bash over at the YMCA.
Yeah.
One of the local people here donated like $20,000 worth of fireworks.
Oh yeah.
Multiple vendors,
show.
Food trucks, all kinds of stuff. Every weekend, there's at least one of the 23 neighborhoods that has a food truck. So I know Dizzy Lamb was here.
Oh, good gyros.
This past weekend here in Waterside.
I still know I'm doing wrong when I say good gyros.
Yeah, it's gyro.
I know it is, but
you just like to mess with me.
I can't bring. It just doesn't. In my head, it feels wrong. I don't know why it feels wrong. It just feels wrong.
Because it has that Y in there.
Yeah, I get confused easy. So one of the things with Lennar is they're all spec homes.
Yeah.
So they're going to be done, and you'll see in some video here. They're swinging hammers now. Usually, once they're released to the MLS that Mark and I can sell these, they're going to be done in 1 to 3 to 4 months on average. Isn't that about right, what they're planning on this one?
Yeah, I think the first phase of all the ones that are being built right now are looking at about a March delivery, beginning of March sometime.
Okay, and we're beginning of December right now when we're filming this.
Exactly.
As you can tell by eye. This is the first video in a long time I've had a jacket on.
Yeah, we have pants and
a jacket.
Long sleeves on. This is a little unordinary.
Well, it's because you refused to snuggle with me, so I had to dress appropriately. You put a hard no to the I'm not snuggling.
If you try to snuggle, I'm going to push you down the hill.
I kind of want to find out now. But that water looks a little cold today, so I'm not going to do it. They are putting really nice stuff in these houses, though, so you can't pick your anything because it's not a build from the ground up. Right. They're all specs, but they're putting nice stuff in them. It's going to be a really nice finished product. I'm a big fan of this area. And having access to the lakes is a huge deal because only about 5 or 6 of the 20 plus neighborhoods in Lakes of Cane Bay Plantation have access to the water.
That's correct. Yep. And it's a special HOA that you have to pay. And some people may be like, oh, great, another HOA I have to pay. It's not an exorbitant amount.
No,
it's like $120 for the year.
Yeah, I think it might. Okay, here's the 2 extra fees in Cane Bay.
Yes.
The one that's 120, I think, is the golf cart paths fee.
Master Association.
Master Association. That kind of pays
it's like
for the golf cart
114
paths,
or 116.
And then I think the lakes fee is 150.
Is it?
For the whole year.
Already? Okay.
I don't know.
It used to be 120.
I have no clue.
So
now,
it went up a little bit over the last
that,
7 years.
I thought I knew it, but now that you're questioning me, and you're usually better with numbers than I am, now I don't have a clue if it is or not. It's under $200 a year, guaranteed.
But there's only 56 lots left.
Yeah.
So this neighborhood is not huge. It's only going to be a total of 335 total homes in Waterside. Now, Waterside connects to Westlake, so the boat ramp kind of ends Waterside and starts Westlake, or vice versa, depending on which way.
Are there separate pools in those two?
There are 2 separate pools. So
okay.
This pool is actually really nice. It's got a little, hut with the bathrooms in it. Nice pool up there and a playground right up next to it. And then you have access to the boat ramp as well.
Bathrooms are nice, but I pee in the pool, so I don't need it.
So gross.
It's
so
listen, there's a lot of
gross.
water there. I don't think it really matters.
I think it does matter.
I don't pee in the pool. I do have a friend though, and he told me he does pee in the pool, and I think I believe him.
I probably believe him too. You're gonna have to tell me who it is, so I don't invite them to my house.
I'm gonna call him out. It's Pavan.
It's Pavan.
Yeah, I'm gonna call him out, and I'm gonna send this video. He might be kidding. I don't know. He told me he pees in the pool one time, and I think he might be serious.
Yeah. Well, he's not allowed in my pool.
No, he's not invited to your pool. So if you ever want information on this or anything else, best way to get us down. Oh, here we go. Down in the description.
Yes.
I got it. There's a link you can drop into our calendars, book a Zoom call, book an in-person meeting with us, find out if this is the right feel for you, if this is the right neighborhood, right builder, right homes, right everything. Easy to do. And is that it? We're done?
That's it.
See you in the next one.